and welcome to Cara Motorhomes. Today I'm presenting to you is the Adria 600 SP twin van. As you can see, in a gorgeous metallic orange. It's got the 150 horsepower engine upgrade from the Fiat Ducato, and as you can see, it is an absolute stunner. Fitted as standard on the inside of the vehicle, you've got the Fiat navigation system, you've also got cab air conditioning, and as well as that you have the hill descent and traction control, cruise control all fitted, and all the Bluetooth telephone controls as well, so everything's at hand while you're driving the vehicle. Into the living area, we have two overhead lockers here, dining table which also extends out, two belted seats, and this does turn into a third bed as well. Okay, and into the kitchen area, again overhead storage, you've also got a sink, 2-burner hob, plenty of storage down the side, you've also got an extra table side too to extend the preparation area, more cupboards, drawers, and again oven and grill combined there, plenty of storage in here which can also double up as a wardrobe, and generous sized fridge freezer below, all nice to hand for you. So moving into the washroom, nice generous size for the size of vehicle. You've got a drop down sink, and you've also got the tap that pulls out into a shower for those days when you need that shower. So here at the rear of the vehicle you can access the bed area from the front and side or the rear. You've also got gas locker which holds 2 bottles, and you've got the reversing camera fitted onto this vehicle, and plenty of floor and storage space there as well.